Hello, I'm Michael and welcome to my photography channel, which will undergo a few changes in the next days, which are not drastic, but I still wanted to use this video to talk about the direction in which I'm headed, so you're not wondering. Also, I want to use this video to announce channel memberships, which is what I want to start with. So in order to keep making those videos and keeping the quality up, I created three different channel membership options, which are, let me have a look quickly so I don't confuse them. So we have basically, or we'll soon have, so in a few days I'll basically activate those, and then there will be a little join button beneath the video where you can join one of the three options, which are the supporter, which is 99 euro cents, and as a little perk for the supporter, I'll basically create an exclusive wallpaper pack once a year, so 5 to 10 images, my best images of the year, into a wallpaper pack, 4K resolution, so high quality, and I'll distribute it just to the supporters of this channel, so that's kind of an exclusive thing. Then there is the second option, which I call the channel influencer, and that's at $2.99. And as an influencer, you can basically, in addition to having the wallpapers, also influence the content of the channel. And for this I created a private Discord channel to which all the influencers will be invited. And in this channel we're gonna discuss the next videos of the On Focus series or Focus On series. More on that later. So I'll use this channel to talk about topics which will be covered and also go a bit into the details, so what should be in the videos, and that's for the influencers. And finally, there is the channel foundation option, which is $8.99. Sounds a bit much, but what you'll get as an additional perk is basically once a year 2 hours of Skype tuition from me. So it also could be 2 1-hour sessions or 4 half-hour sessions, but basically Skype tuition to photography related topics, for example photo editing. And normally this 2 hours of Skype tuition already costs 100 euros. So it's basically, if you become a channel foundation with this regular payment, it's similar to booking a Skype session with me. So that being said, any supporter or any support is welcome. Helps me to keep making those videos in regular fashion and also up the quality. So whatever, it's appreciated if you become a supporter and would really help the channel. Now to the second topic. I want to announce the changes this channel will undergo. Nothing drastic, as I've said. So basically you've already seen the first steps. So I created a new series, which I call the Focus On series. And there are already 2 videos, the last 2 videos, which follow this scheme I now use for making those videos. And the intention behind it is creating more transparency, making it clearer for you as the viewer what a video will be about, and going more with an educational style versus the typical photography vlogs I've been making a lot in the last weeks, where I just head out to a shoot, bring the camera and film behind the scenes videos, and where I make up the topic of the video kind of as I go. And I'm always a bit torn between photography and making of the video. And if I now do those Focus On series, it's not only focusing on a certain topic, which I'll gonna dive into, I can also focus more on the video, because those videos are basically video first and photography is just to support the video. That's the idea. Also, to make it even more transparent what a video is about, I have set up a special color theme or color labeling. So each video will have a preview picture, which you see on YouTube, and there will be a badge here on the upper right, and this will have a certain color. So I have 7 major themes which I'm going to focus on in this channel, and those are colored. So yellow, it's photo editing and retouching topics. Then there's green, which is woodland photography, blue for seascape photography. Then we have orange for landscape photography topics, and gray for architecture or real estate photography. And in addition to that, I also have purple for business related stuff, like the videos I did on income streams will then fall under this topic, but go a bit more deep. And also I have black for equipment, because I like to review the equipment I use. So if something works for me, I typically do a review. I've done so in the past and I want to continue to do that. And yeah, those will get a black label. Yeah, that's it. Hope you like the direction I'm going. Yeah, just leave comments what you think about it. Also make sure to subscribe, ring or hit the notification bell, give this video a like, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.